are at about 70, going at 70 miles an hour, and this is a Honda Accord. And when we brake, the steering wheel wobbles and vibrates a lot. We'll try to fix this. So for that, what I did was I removed the tire on both sides, and then I sanded these rotors. I removed these two bolts. These are 12 mm, and then I removed the bracket and then hung it here. And then I sanded these rotors by hand, both front and back, with a 60 grit metal use sandpaper. So as you can see, there's a pretty bad groove here. I think now it's almost flat. I'll take this for a test drive and then see how it goes. To get the back, we have this protection on the rotor, so I had to do it from this side. There's only space here, so I put a sandpaper there, and then I rotated this wheel and then sanded as much as I could. So what I noticed was this is the only bad part. The other side was good, and even the back of this is good. So I sanded this. I also sanded the brake pads, all four, and let's see how it goes. So right now I'm close to 70 and I'm braking. Still it vibrates.